Welcome to the tutorial video of Ultimate Monthly Budget Spreadsheet for Google Sheets. We will explore the spreadsheet to understand how to make the most of its functionalities. Our monthly budget spreadsheet contains 5 tabs, which are Settings, Transactions, Monthly Budget, Sinking Funds, and Debt Dashboard tab. Let's have a look each of them. This is the Settings tab, where you will start your monthly budgeting by customizing categories and make settings for your savings and debt repayment plans. Monthly Budget Spreadsheet has been designed to work with any currency. You can simply double-click the currency setting cell and write the abbreviation of your preferred currency. All related pages and tables will be updated automatically. In Categories table, you will be able to customize your categories for income, expenses, and bills. Simply double-click the cell and write your own. All related pages will be updated by your categories automatically. In Savings table, you can write your savings and sinking funds, which will be shown in Sinking Funds tab. Write the name of your fund, your goal, your starting balance, which is already saved amount when you start to use this spreadsheet, and your monthly contribution plan for the fund. In Debt Payoff table, you can list your debts and liabilities that you'd like to track and create a repayment plan. You can write them regardless of balance and interest amounts. According to your repayment strategy selection in Debt Dashboard tab, they will be sorted and calculated automatically. On this spreadsheet, you will be able to add up to 10 income and savings, 25 expense, bills, and debt categories. Now, let's explore the Transactions tab. This is your active workspace. Here, you'll find a table designed for entering your financial transactions. The Date column includes a pop-up calendar for easy date selection. Simply double-click the date cells and select the date from calendar. The main and subcategory columns feature drop-down lists generated from the Settings tab. Click the arrow key and select categories from drop lists. As you register transactions to this table, all other related tabs and charts will be updated automatically. Let's move to Monthly Budget tab. In Monthly Budget tab, you will see tables for monthly cash flow, income, expenses, bills, debt, and savings, along with the smart charts. You can see customized categories in Settings tab has been added to related tables. The Cash Flow table will show your monthly financial status. All values except rollover will be calculated automatically, so you do not have to enter anything here. If you have any money left from previous month, you can add it to Budget column of Rollover section. Charts on top will show you your actual income and spending information for this month as you enter your data in Transactions table. You will be able to see your actual income, expenses and bills, your major expense, and its amount, debts, and savings. Let's explore how you will budget your month. To create your monthly budget, enter the amount that you expect to Budget columns in Detail tables. As you start entering data, Donut chart will be updated. It will show you remaining amount for budgeting according to your income expectation and spending plan. Actual columns in these tables will be calculated automatically as you enter data in Transactions table, so you don't need to edit or change these cells. For bills and debt payments, you can use checkboxes to follow up your payments with ease. Now let's add some transactions. As we entered transactions for January, actual columns and charts has been updated for corresponding month. You can use this monthly budget template as much as you want. When you need to make budget plan for another month, simply duplicate the tab. Click the arrow key in Tabs section and select Duplicate. A copied version of Monthly Budget tab will be created. By using Drop List in month and year cells, select the date you want to budget. When you change the date, actual columns will recalculate amount that you entered in Transactions tab. However, you need to edit budget cells manually for the new month. Simply select the budget cells and delete the previous amount. Also, you can change the name of this tab. Click the arrow key and Rename button. Change the name of new tab as you like. Now you are ready to make budget for new month. That's all for the Monthly Budget tab. Let's explore Sinking Funds. This is the Sinking Funds tab where you will track your progress of your savings. You will find status cards for each of your savings, which you customized in Setting tab. Also, you don't need to change or edit any cell in this tab. Everything will be calculated automatically. Let's explore the details of status cards. Goal cell will show the goal that you set in Settings tab. Save cell is total amount that you entered in Transactions tab. As you register new transactions, corresponding cards will be updated automatically. Balance cell is summary of your starting balance and saved amount from transactions. Left to save cell is total amount left for reaching your goal. Months left cell is estimated number of months until reaching your goal. It is being calculated based on information that you have set in Settings tab as monthly contribution. Donut charts will show progress of each saving card. On top, you will see your overall progress, total goal, total balance, and total amount left to reach your goal. Now let's move on to Debt Dashboard tab. This tab will be your planning hub for debt repayment journey. This table will show all your debts that you entered in Settings tab. Order of your debts will change as you choose your repayment strategy. If you need to change any information about your debts, do not change it in here. Instead, go to Settings tab and make the changes you want. This table will be updated automatically. It is very easy to start your debt repayment plan. As first step, select the debt repayment start date from Calendar. Double-click the date cell and select the date you want to start. In second step, if you have any extra amount that you can add to your debt payments on monthly basis, add it here in Extra Payment cell. Simply double-click the cell and change the amount. If you don't want to add any extra payments, you can leave it as 0. When you make changes, it may take a couple seconds to recalculate the spreadsheet based on your connection speed. And as last step, choose your repayment strategy between Debt Snowball and Debt Avalanche method. With Debt Snowball method, you will start to pay you debts from smallest balance. After you complete one, minimum payment of completed debt will be rolled to next one, which will create a snowball effect. With Debt Avalanche method, you will start to pay your debts from highest interest rate first. On this spreadsheet, rollover timings and amounts will be calculated for you, so you don't need to make any additional changes in here. You can select your repayment strategy by using drop lists. Click the arrow and choose what suits you best. As you choose, you will see a quick analysis in below cells. According to your selection, your debt-free date and the total interest amount will be calculated automatically, which will help you to choose your repayment strategy. On Overview section, you will see your total starting balance, payment progress, and your total monthly payment. Below of this section, you will see your total monthly payment plan and balance on monthly basis. For each of your debts, payment plan cards will be generated automatically. You will be able to track payment plan of your debt individually. On top side, you will see starting balance, interest rate, minimum payment, and payoff date for each debt. Actual columns on debt repayment plans will be calculated automatically as you enter data in Transactions tab. After you enter a transaction for a debt, remaining balance and payment plan will be updated. Let's make an example together. For credit card debt, starting balance is $3,000. Interest rate is 6.5%. Minimum monthly payment is $50. With $100 on extra monthly payment, total monthly payment for credit card $150, and it will be paid off in October 2025. Now let's make some payments. Go to Transactions tab. Let's assume you had some extra budget and paid $400 to your credit card debt. As you enter, the data payoff date will be updated. Since you made more payment than planned, total plan and payment progress has been changed and updated. Now, payoff date for credit card is August 2025 if you keep paying planned amount. And this is it! Now you are ready to start your budgeting journey. If you have any questions or remarks, send us a message from the link in descriptions. Many thanks for watching. Happy budgeting!